All right, week 26, we are talking about advanced interaction design. And day 3, we're looking at an interactive timeline. So this is another complex interaction, which could require multiple hover states, disclosing information on hover, as well as disclosing information on click or touch and how that might translate to mobile devices, things that don't have hover capabilities. And then also what it means for potentially a timeline to flow outside the frame of the device. So what it means to scroll through that. And, just think about the different areas where you may do this. So it could be a series of events. So it could be, a weekend festival and you're walking through a timeline. It could be a history timeline. Maybe you're designing a museum exhibit or an educational piece. It could be milestones interactivity. So you could be thinking about someone accomplishing something and in a way where they would need to, or be beneficial, I should say, to see the timeline as they're doing both what happened in the past, what will happen in the future, and how those things are aligned. And, this is relatively straightforward in terms of concept, but again, a bunch of nuanced, complex things in one space. And the output is just a prototype of a scrollable or clickable timeline. If it gets fairly complex and it's hard to build, it may be beneficial to step back and mock it up and show some of the interactions that exist as prototyped things, but also communicate it in a more static way. Because interactive timelines can get fairly complex when you think about the content itself. As always, for these interaction sort of open-ended UI design challenges, looking forward to seeing everyone's output, not only how you solve the problem, what your timelines look like, but also what sort of thing you try to communicate with them. So we'll see you on day 4.